Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to play Roblox on your PC. In the previous video I have explained to you guys how to download and install and create a new account for new players on Roblox, and you're gonna find the links in the description or the first comment. And in this video we're gonna talk about how to play Roblox on PC. First of all, let's open it. Let's open the game. Double click on it, and as you can see it's open now, and I have created a new account. I explained also how to create new account if you don't have one. And let's go to search and search for any map we want to join, any server we want. For example, I'm gonna click on please donate and hit enter button, and you're gonna find a lot of maps in here, and I'm gonna choose this one. Let's click on please donate just for example, and right now it's loading. And then click on this play button, this blue button as you can see in here. Click on it to join the server. As you can see now, joining the server, it's gonna take some time, depends on your connection speed. So you're gonna join the server you chose. As you can see now, it's loading the map. Where am I? Oh, I'm disappeared, I'm invisible. This is guys because of the connection, so it's gonna load the character and everything's gonna be cool. It's cool to be invisible. Just kidding guys. It's gonna just take some time to load the whole map, and the character as well is gonna appear. Here we go. I'm here. Oh, nice t-shirt. Cool. Oh, where's my hair? Wait, I'm bald. What the hell is that? No. Alright, it's cool, it's nice. Okay, got it back. Nice. Well, to play Roblox guys, all you have to know right now is how to move and how to run, how to go left and right. For going straight, going ahead, click on W button. As you can see, you can run, and for going back, you can click on S on your keyboard, and for turning right, click on D, and for going left, click on A button. As you can see, you can still move it like this using those buttons as I just mentioned. And for jumping, you can click on space. You can run and jump at the same time using space button. And for turning, like moving the camera just like this, you can click and hold right click of your mouse, and as you can see, you can move the camera left and right and then up and down. And if you want to move your mouse, just leave the button you have clicked, right click, and it will not move the camera, you got me? And also another thing I want to explain to you guys is that how to zoom in and how to zoom out using mouse. All you have to do is just use scroll wheel on your mouse. As you can see, if I scroll down, it goes zoom out, like it's going so far, so I can see the whole map. As you can see, like and you can move it like this, and you still can jump and move. As you can see, this is my character right now, and if I zoom in again, it's gonna go back. I can still zoom until it becomes a first person, just like this. That's so nice, cool. People are here are saying your text here. How can I put it there? Alright, yeah, your text here. No, I don't want to put any text in there. Goal is 600. I don't know. People are asking for donations or something like that. Hello? I don't know. Alright, that's cool. This is how you can play Roblox on your PC using the keyboard and mouse. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.